Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to some more Daily Rainy Nonograms. It is currently 7:30 in the evening on Halloween. It is October 31st. Happy Halloween, guys. I have just gotten home. Well, not just gotten home, but you know what I mean. And I'm ready to make this new video for y'all. So, let's begin. First thing I see, there's not a lot going on. um, Maybe this would be something, maybe these, maybe like that, maybe this. I'm just gonna do all of that and let's see where that takes us. Okay? So, 14, 3, that's minus 12. 6, 9, 4, doesn't get us anywhere. 6, 8, 1, 3, nope. What about over here? 14, 1, 5, minus 3, 9, 9, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 4, 4, 1, 5, 4, minus 3. Okay. 1, 10, 8, minus 4. 3, 1, 11, 11, yeah, minus 8, like that. 3, 3, 1, 11, minus 4, 4, 1, 12, minus 6. Sure, let's try this one, why not? 1, 2, 10, 2, 4, that's minus 7. Like that. Okay, sure, fine. We'll roll with this. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 1. Block that off. Block that off. Yeah, to there. That's a 7. Block this. Right? Yeah, block this. Block this. So 14. Yeah, okay. Now, is there anything we can do with that? Doesn't really seem like it. Oh man, it's gonna be a tough one, huh? Can this be a 1? Because if this is, well, wait, 1, 3, 3, 5, okay, it cannot be this, so can it be this? So 1, 3, 3, 5, 1, no, so this is at least a 3, okay, that's information we can use. This is at least a 6, well, no, actually it has to be the 7. Nothing here. Okay, cool. That's a 1. That's a 5. This is a 3. That's a 4. That, yeah, that is a 3. Block that. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Nothing here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. 5. Okay. 3, 6, we can extend that to here. That's a 1. That's part of the 10. Alright. This is a 3. That's a 4. It's a 7. That's a 3. It's a 4. 3. Nothing there. 5, 5. That This is a 3 for sure. That's a 5. That's a 2, definitely. So this is the 10. 10 to 4 minus 2. And then we can extend all of this. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 1. 1, 3, 3, 5. Okay. 7, 6. We can block that off. We can extend this 10. That's a 9. Yep. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing over here. We can complete this 10. Extend this 8. Minus 2. Nothing here. That's the 6. That's of 1. So nothing here. So this is a 10. 6, 6, 3, 1, 1. 4, 3, 1. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Alright. This is a 4. That's a 4. Nothing here. That's a 1. That's a 2. So this is a 2. 14. Complete. That's a 7. That's a 3. That's a 3. 5, 7, 3. Like that. That's a 3. That's a 2. 1, 5 can be extended. 4. 1, 1, 1. Alright. Nothing here. That's a 6. It's 1, 1. Nothing here. That's a 2. And then 9. It's a 4, 1, 7. 1, 3, 1. Okay, that's a 3. 4. 4 for 1. 7. 3. 1, 3. No space for any 5. So 5, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. Nothing. 5, 3. Nothing. 3, 3. So 5. No space for a 14. Let's extend this. 14. And then 3 minus 4. Like that. That's a 5. 7. Block this. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. 6, 7. Nothing. No space. That's a 4. That's a 3. That's a 1. That's a 1. 6, 1. Part of the 2. Part of the 2. 7, 3, 4. Extend. Like so. Yeah. 1, 1, 5. And then 7. Only to there. And only to there. Okay. Okay. That's a 6 minus 2. 4, 4. 1. That's a 3. So like this. Minus that. Yes. Any loose ends I can pick apart? That's a 4. 3, 6, 2, 2. No space. 7, 1, 7. 14, 4. Right. What else? 7, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 7, 4, 1, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, 5, 2. Yeah, 5, 1, 7, sure. Okay, so the 6 has to be over here, and that's a 1. So, minus 2. That's a 6. That's a 6. That's a 1. 7. It's at least a 2. 1, 3, 8. We can extend that. We can extend these 11. And this 8. Sorry for the noise outside. That's a 9. 6, 8. 3, 4, 3. We can block that off. Not very helpful though. That's a 2. That has to be a 2. It can't be the 3. Yeah, that has to be a 2. So we can limit that. Yeah. Which means this is a 4. That has to be part of the 7. Limit this. Like that. It's an 8. 3, 1, 2. 6, 1, 2. 6, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. 3, 1, 1, 8. Nothing over there. Nothing here. Nothing. Alright. Nothing, nothing. Nothing. Okay. We can block that off. This is the 5 and that's the 6. So this is 3, 2, 4, and then 7. Minus 2. Great. This is a 6. It's an 8. That's an 8. 7, 1, 6, 7, 7, 6, 6, 1, 1, like that. Okay. So that's a 3. And 7, 1, 5. Okay, 7, 1, 5, 1 minus 3, like that. Extend the 11. Sorry. Extend the 11 like that. Like this. No, not the 12. Wait. Sorry. Extend the 11, but not this one. And not the 12. Okay. 7, 2, 3. Yeah, that's a 3. Can we complete this 8? No. Oh yeah, we can. Because 3, 2, 4 is like that. And that's an 8. Nothing here. 3, 3, 1, 7, 5. Like that. Okay. 7, 1, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3. Nothing here. That's a 3. 11, 11. and 12, like that. It's a 1, that's a 1, nothing here, nothing here. That's a 3. 6, 1, 2, 3, nothing here. Okay. 1, 4, 3. 3, 4, 3, 5. 1, 1, 6, 1. 7. Oh, that has to be part of the 2, and this is a part of the 4. Nothing over here. 4, 1. I mean 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Limit. Yeah, that looks good to me. So 1, 1, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3, 4. That's a 3. 7. That's a 1. It's a 5. Nothing here. That's a 6. That's a. Can it be a 3? It can be a 3. We don't know yet. But there's nothing here. 7, 1, 5, 1. Okay. It's over there. 2 to 1, 4. Limit this. 5. It cannot be the 5 because. Oh, it can be the 5. Never mind. Is this a 9? Yeah, that's the 9. And that's a 7. That's 6, 9, 4. So it is no, I'm not sure yet. Oh wait. 14, 3. And then 1, 3, 8, 3. That's a 3. That's a 5. So 9. That's a 9. 7. Okay. 14, 3. 5. 5. 2. Like that. 6, 8, 1, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4, 2. Nothing here. 3, 4, 3, 5, 2. Okay. Alright, this is cleaning up. 3, 3, 1, 7, 5. 7, 2, 3, 4, 2. Time to find for some new leads. 4. No. Yeah, time to find some more leads. Where to go now? Maybe this 4. Okay. Not this 4 though. What about 1, 1, 7? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't help. Oh wait. Yeah, it does. We know this one is a 1. 1, 1, 4 would be there. That cannot be part of the 7, so this is the 1. 5, 1, 7, 1, 1, minus 4. 1, 4, 3, 4, 1. Am I still correct? Hang on, let me check. I'm still correct. Nice. We're doing this flawless. Hang on. 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2. Nothing here. Oh, 3, 2, 1, and then 9. There. 4. That's a 3. That's a 4. Block that. That's a 3 and a 4. 3, 4 minus 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Complete. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 3. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 2. 1, 2, 10, 2, 4. Nice. 1, 2. That is a 3. That's a 4. So 4. Oh, that's a 1. This is a 5 minus 2. So 1, 1, 9. And then 1, 1. Okay. 4. 1, 4, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1. I mean 4, 3, 1, 3. 4, 3, 6, 1. 5. Sorry, hang on. Just being chatted. There's a 1. 4, 1, 5, 3. 2. That's 3, 6, 1. 4, 1, 1. 4, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1. So this is a 2, right? Yeah, has to be. So 4. So 3. That's a 2. Or yeah, that's a 2. There's a 1. 1, 1, 7. 5, 1, 7, 1, 1. Done. That's a 4. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1, 9. So 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2. 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. 5, 2, 1, 9. 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 2. 3, 3. Don't know yet. 4, 1, 12. 4, 1, 1, 1. 4, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1. Done. 3, 1, 1, 4. Okay, that's a 3. So 4. 1, 3, 4. 4, 1. Nice. 2, 3, 3. 4, 1, 1, 5, 3. Complete. 1, 1, 1, 1. 9. Complete. Okay, just this part. 4, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 1, 5. And that's all. Yay, we got it. Alright. So, we read that in 24:57. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will see you guys for tomorrow's video. Bye bye.